Microphone. Hello, everyone. Uh, it's Monday. I'm still asleep. Yeah, decent. Anyway, yeah, I'm a little discombobulated. I'm not sure what's going on. So I say, Mom, hello, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the Bombus. I'm running a little bit late. A ding, a ding, ding. A ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Boring ass stock market. We'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at the boring ass crypto. We're going to talk about. We're gonna take a look at some stuff in Cardano, making some moves like Jagger over there, and we're definitely gonna take a look at Pepe. If poll time, poll. What's a poll? You ask. That's a great freaking question. All right, are we streaming on YouTube? We are. No one's in the house. See, if we're streaming on the real network, the only one I care about. We are. Hell yeah. That would be welcome to the Rumble. We got fun and games. All right. Let's pop onto the desktop. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. Actually, I'm gonna pop out the chat. I have this bad habit of not viewing when people talk in Rumble until it's too late. And I usually put Rumble at the top. I'm gonna put it at the bottom, see if that helps with that. Because I feel bad for the Rumble people when they ask a question and I don't answer because I don't notice until it's too late. All right. Hopefully we can solve that problem. I'm just going to focus on Rumble. F YouTube. I wonder if the YouTube algorithm. Now, this text right here is annoying me. Chat, Pepe. Oh, poll time. All right. Poll. Start a poll. Do you regret not YOLO? Let's see. And into Pepe. What they like? I really don't know. Pepe's a meme and it's a frog, but what does it mean? Pepe meme meaning. Is the internet working? Is a cartoon character often referred to as the sad frog. Is it? Why is this meme? It's a popular meme. Why is it popular? On Gaia Online? Is that? What is Gaia? It made me think of Gala. Gaia? I don't know what the hell. Took off on 4chan. Different scenarios such as melancholy, anger, and surprise. Feels bad. Ugh. I hate it when people say feels bad, man. Internet nerds try so hard to be cool. Capital letters, small letters, saying stupid things, stupid memes. Nerds, 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 nerds. You're all freaking nerds. All right. See what's going on in the stock market. See a red. I'm not seeing good things. E-mini S&P. It's not M. It's S and P. Only down 1.5. Gold up $11 at 2010. Crude oil down $1.30. Bitcoin down 8. Futures down $850. What the hell's going on there? I'll tell you what. Pepe. Bitcoin is down because of Pepe. And I'm not even joking. We'll get into that in a bit. Natty Gas down 4 cents. NASDAQ down 30. Coinbase down another 91 cents. How to lose $15,000 in less than a month. Yellow Coinbase at peak euphoria in a Bitcoin market. That's all right. We'll make that back. Silver. Ooh, shit. Silver up 72 cents. Not playing around today. And bonds, the big question, down 15 ticks at 131.06. Still pretty good number for bonds. Tesla, ooh, down goes Fraser. Tesla down another $3. That is on the heels of a successful Falcon Big Heavy launch. Yeah, that bubbly doesn't taste very good today. Sometimes it tastes like a fresh, refreshing ice cold Bale beer. Other times it tastes like ass. Right now it tastes like ass. Actually, I like the taste of ass. So it tastes like, I don't know, something shitty. All right. That's it for the stock market. Let's move on to crypto. No, someone voted. Yeah, I don't. We're going to talk about it. Just calm your jets, Tom. All right, let's take a look at crypto. Nah. Got a little exciting this weekend. I had some FOMO this weekend. I had some FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. FOMO. 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 Can you hear the soundboard? Can you hear the FOMO and the dings? Who knows lately with what you guys can and can't hear. All right. Actually, let's take a quick look at the charts and the NASDAQ and the SPY. SPY still trying. I mean, I don't know that this line really means much. I mean, if anything, we can play around with it and find something that works, right? How many touches there? Quite a few touches there. I mean, maybe this is the uptrend. Technical analysis at its finest. Find a graph that works. Find a trend line that works for you. That looks pretty good. That's on the weekly. The NASDAQ, that trend line, that's a steep trend line, so I don't expect that one. Oh. Yeah. Is that one going to hold? On the daily, it probably looks better. Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's probably going to come up to this again and then go all the way back down. Double top. So we got a lower high. A lower high. Is that how it's a lower high? Now this is the next one. When we get back up to this, or do we go for the grand poopah? This one, right? And then that one. Yeah. What's going on in the stock market? Steepening bond curve that's inverted. Recession. So when they declare a recession, that's probably the time to start backing up the truck. Because the recession's already over, or on the tail end if they finally announce it. I mean, we're in a recession. They just refuse to announce it. That's my opinion. All right, the dollar. Oh, we haven't looked at that bitch in a minute. Dollar, nah. The dollar on its way down to extinction. Some people will lead you to believe. Maybe they're right. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, it's around that number. Like once it gets there, it really starts going down. Hopefully that's with the price of Bitcoin going up and then money coming into altcoins. But let's take a look at what's going on in the total DeFi. And this is going to have a lot of relevance when it comes to PEPE. So the total crypto market cap's hanging at 1.14 trillion. Basically what it's been for the last 2 months almost. It's been at 1.1514 trillion for the last 2 months. And then we had a little surge in April, and that's when Bitcoin went up, right? Remember, that's when like Bitcoin this is probably when Bitcoin went from like 19,000 to 30,000. So April, beginning of April, end of March. Yeah, so the middle of March, right around here, Bitcoin had a nice surge in dominance and went up in price. And then it kind of came back down to normal. And this is where we can go all the way back to last August. And this was a peak back then of the total crypto market cap. We had the big crash that went all the way down 700 billion. I started saying we had a nice little rally, and then we went down further to like 720 billion. This was right here. This would be the FTX and all that drama, right? So we've made it back up to the fib, and we're right back at 1.14 trillion. It's right around a huge resistance line, really, right? And you can look at the same thing here, right? Total crypto market clap, the clap excluding Bitcoin, same thing. You can go back, you see the same shit, right? This is where it's been. You can go all the way back to February, and this is a kind of a peak with a little bit of a little bull run there, a little bit of a euphoric run there in the last month. Same thing, pop out, came back to rally, right back where we were, right? So what does all this mean? Well, hold on, I'm not done. Same thing, total minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, same freaking thing. Money's just moving around, right? No liquidity is really coming in. A little bit of liquidity came in. How much came in? 1.19 trillion to 1.26. So 100 billion of liquidity came in for a minute because of all the banking stuff, and then it got sucked right back out. Actually, we'll say, about 100 billion, right? Give or take 10, 20 billion. Less, probably less, right? Came in and then left again. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Why would 80 to 100 billion come in for a few weeks and then leave? What phenomenon would cause that? Serious question. I don't know. That's a great question. But what does it mean? It just means money's moving around. So now that PEPE, this dumbass meme coin, but I cannot discourage you enough to stay away from stuff like this. This is what regulate. I don't know. Lily Hillbilly Mike, the new Dr. Gene. What's up, brother? Exactly, brother. Welcome to the channel. How are you doing? PEPE. How does this coin do this? All right, so we just saw no new money is coming to crypto. I am great. I'm glad to hear that, brother. How does this coin go from whatever it went to? It's got a $500 million market cap. That's nothing really. So only $500 million flooded into this shit coin. I actually kind of expected more, if I'm being honest. There's only like 17,000 holders. Is it too late to buy PEPE? It's always too late to buy PEPE, right? This is a degenerative behavior that I would discourage. I'm actually disgusted with certain YouTubers and Twitter people right now, namely like BitBoy and Altcoin Daily. They just want the clicks. They just want the engagement. Look, dude, this is gambling. If you want to throw a little bit of money at this and have some fun, go for it. Bob's your uncle. But if you're out there trying to get rich off meme coins, you're gonna lose. The problem is there's always a few stories that keep the dream alive. This person did such and such and made millions. You need to step back and look at the whole picture. How much did he lose betting on meme coins before he did that? What's the overall percentage of people losing that invest in meme coins? I mean, that there's just a million different angles there. And then, like, psh, how many people actually bought Pepe near lows and rode it all the way to the top and sold it at highs and actually made millions or whatever? The odds are so stacked against you. You're probably better off buying a lottery ticket. I mean, not really, but maybe. If you throw a little bit at it to have fun, I mean, I wouldn't recommend anything more than like Jason in the house. How you doing, brother? Oh, shit, yeah. You put 100. See, you could throw $100 in. Is $100 going to change your life? No. But if you can afford to, I mean, if you can afford to throw $100 in a meme coin and it's like nothing, then go for it, right? But if you're like throwing rent money into Pepe or throwing large portions of your even if you hit it this time, it's a degenerate behavior that you're going to continue, and it's a zero sum game. You're eventually going to lose, right? Go watch The Wolf of Wall Street, and they'll show you all the idiots buying over the counter pink sheet stocks and losing their money. You're probably better off buying that than these meme coins. You probably have a better chance of hitting a winner on a pink sheet stock than you do a meme coin. There was one bro out there that had like a bunch of this Pepe, and they were doing some on-chain analysis of him. He finally hit a home run, and he had all these wallets that he was moving around, and his wallets were just full of all these other meme coins, some rug pulls. So he finally got one right. And this one, the only reason it just got traction, right? It was named after a popular meme, and then really what happened is all the degens in crypto just got tired, and the FOMO train started chugging away. So I don't know. I don't feel bad for missing out. Can you buy it now and still make money? I mean, I personally would probably wait for a dip. You know what's impressive though is this isn't an easy coin to buy. It's not like you can go on Coinbase and buy this. Can you imagine if it got listed on Coinbase or Binance? I mean, Shiba Inu's still in like the top 20, and that coin's garbage. That's a great question. Now I get a little
FOMO.
Now I want to buy some. If there's a dip in SHIB, I mean, what am throw $100 at it, and I might make 900 out of it. You know, like why? I mean, just to say I was part of the story. Whatever. Matthew in the house. How you doing, brother? Long time no see. I saw it a week ago, but never bothered to put anything. Yeah, partly I never bought it was because I wouldn't have had to buy some ETH. Yeah, so that's impressive. You have to go to like Uniswap and buy this, and the average. Oh, I said I was gonna stop doing that. The average person doesn't know how to do that. Yeah, I feel you on that, Matthew. Like in retrospect, I should have thrown some money at it last week, but I'm staying mechanical, right? It's hindsight's 2020 and all that. I'm gonna stay mechanical. I'm not going to get myself into a habit of going and chasing after meme coins, and I don't regret not buying this at all. I really don't. In fact, I'm kind of sick of hearing about it. But the problem is, I'm still sick of hearing about Shiba, still sick of hearing about Doge. So I mean, these aren't going away, right? So will Pepe be the next Shiba or Doge? It wouldn't surprise me. Let's do some. Let's do some deep dive on Pepe. What's its utility? Ugh. I'm sure there's absolutely no utility. But then, now that all kinds of people are in it, oh, we're gonna build dexes. We're gonna have an can you imagine an NFT drop on here? Actually, it looks like it's just a coin. So it can't be. It's just it's not like Shiba that's or Doge. So no, Jason. Yeah, you had to go to Uniswap. This is likely not the next Shiba Inu or Doge because those are actually their own blockchains. I guess they can make one and move it. Switch have zero taxes. We have zero taxes buying a. So you don't need to worry about buying with a specific slippage. Tokenomics, yeah, this no taxes, no BS. What? 93% were sent to LP tokens were burnt. Phase 1 meme. Phase 2 vibe and hodl. Phase 3 meme takeover. Oh, this roadmap is a clown show. Launch. At cap listings, 1,000 plus holders. Well, I think they only have like 12,000 holders. That might be going up. Get Pepe trending. They've done all this. Formation of a token gated Discord group. Pepe and Palace. Oh my goodness. Sex listing. 10,000 plus holders. They've already done that. So they are going to try and get listed on a centralized exchange. Pepe merch. Tier 1 exchange listing. All right. Their roadmap, they're beating some of these phases early. On a pullback, I might buy some of this. Oh my goodness, what the hell's wrong with me? On a pullback, I might buy some of this because this thing has some legs. Toro in the house. Long time no see, brother. Number 3, only 16 days old. I got around. You got in. Look at you, brother. What do you mean number 3? It's gonna dump hard. Pepe has already flipped all the other coins ranked. I don't know what that means. All the other meme coins. So is it the number 3 meme coin? Is what you mean? I gotta assume. I mean, this thing could go. My problem with this, and it doesn't matter. Meme coins, yeah. My problem with this, and it doesn't matter. It infuriates me. Because all it does is take liquidity from other coins, good coins, right? Whatever. What are you gonna do, right? I'm not gonna dwell on it. I don't know. So we'll follow this. We'll see what's happening. We'll watch it. I might buy it on a dip. Can we add this? Let's see. Pepe. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with me? Uniswap. Oh my goodness, look at this chart. So most of that's come in the last, it's already dipping, I guess. I'm gonna move this all the way up. Started from the bottom. I'm gonna put it above Solana because I do think it's a better coin than Solana. I'm kidding. I actually thought about buying Solana this weekend because it just the risk reward on it. Not that I think it's a good chain. I just think it's an easy. Like I got some money right now that I don't want to lose it, but I wouldn't mind doubling or tripling it. And Solana just feels like one of those coins that I think it's going to hit $60 in a bull run. So an easy 3x. Last day 0 last night. They're calling for a 442 billion market cap. So the market cap was like a billy. Is that what you mean? And they're calling for a 42 billion market cap. Oh, it got listed on OKX, whatever hell tier 1. OKX, I have no idea what that is. Man, you know what? Other exchanges are going to follow. Do I buy some right now? Someone voted yes. They regret not yellowing in the Pepe. When I say yellow, I mean a fat stack. Like I'm talking about yellowing like an uneasy amount, amount of money that would make you nervous to yellow. I'm not. If you're gonna invest in this, please drink and invest wisely. Probably don't drink because you'll invest unwisely. I wonder how many people YOLO'd into this just because they were stoned off their ass. 5K, like 5K. What do you mean, like 5K? For you, that would be a YOLO amount. Let's see. How much is it down just today? Let's look at the hourly. I think buying this on a pullback's not a bad idea. Oh my goodness, Coinbase. Hopefully they don't list it, right? That's everything wrong with crypto. This is everything wrong with crypto, all wrapped up into one coin. So it peaked at 3 in the morning my time, and it's down about 16%. Yeah, this looks like a good support. I'm not buying this unless it dips hard. Let's see. Man, this thing just took off from the rip. And it took a long, well, this is hourly. How long has this bitch been out? A couple weeks? April 23rd, 17th. Yeah, 2 weeks. This weekend's been insane. If it comes back down to like here, I might buy some. Pepe was just my interest from the teen days. I just fell for the coin early. Yeah, I barely know what Pepe is. I know it's an internet meme. It doesn't make a lot of sense to my boomer ass. All right, enough of this Pepe nonsense. I want to hop on over to Cardano. I'm going to spend some money over there. Yesterday was payday in Cardano. We got paid I got 73 Cardano for free just for staking. I did get 87 Indy every 5 days. I'm just getting paid over on Indy, right? So I'm going to take that. I've already claimed and swapped that money. So I'm going to send that over to my min swap, or I do my min swap, and then I'm gonna look to buy some NTX or AGIX, maybe some yield farm with it. So let's get that sent. Send to that 694. That's it. I thought I had more. Account list. Total fund 7. Oh wow. All right, I'll send like 650. I listen. I'll probably save it for a deeper discussion tomorrow. But a quick teaser. I listened to Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? I looked at transactions on Ether and saw a lot of 1 billion to 3 billion buys. How much is a? So you put $100 in it. How many did that buy you? Anyway, I listened to a really good. We've been talking a lot about Meld lately. I listened to a really good Twitter space by them on tiered fees and Cardano. I actually kind of support it. And the real problem with Cardano and Meld is right now. So if that kind of stuff interests you, we'll discuss it tomorrow if I remember. But at the end of the day, just so I'm not cliffhanging you, it has to do with like Meld's worried about people getting liquidated because Cardano's too slow. 169 million was equal. Oh, that's a small baller alert, bro. You need to buy at least $1 billion. It's only like $500 or $600 more, right? If you're not in the 3 comma club, if you're not in the Trey comma club, you're a small baller, brother. 1 to 3K. I mean, you really think 42 billion market cap? Actually, that's not out of the question. 42 billion market cap is an 80x. In the bull run, this thing is gonna probably continue to have legs, which is annoying. And it's gonna have blow off tops and dip. So I think after these blow off tops, it's probably gonna dip. I might yellow like, oh my goodness. This is a gamble, brothers and sisters. I might gamble some on it. Don't dismiss a dumb meme coin just for the
FOMO.
Because the FOMO is real in this one. Pepe, yeah, Pepe's up insane. Yeah, I'll wait for a dip. If I miss it, maybe. Nah, I'll wait for a dip. KQQ American lady in the house. How are you doing, sister? What's wrong? Back to YouTube Street, stopping to say knee. I have no idea. I have no idea what. Nothing's wrong. And I don't know what you just said. This is just bored degens. I couldn't agree more. What better meme token than the greatest meme ever? Doge hit 90 billion in 2021. I don't remember how high Doge went. It went pretty high. Let's see. Doge. I mean, it's still kind of high. How high did Doge go? Like 80 cents? And we can figure it out. Dogecoin, it's at 7 cents. It's a 10 billion market cap. This has a really high inflation rate. It hit 80 cents. So it hit like 80 billion, 80, 90 billion, yeah. The inflation rate on Doge is insane though. So this is 10 billion of idiot money holding back good coins, right? Ethereum, good coin. BNB, nah. XRP, I mean, there's 24 billion in the greatest rug pull of all time. XRP is a rug pull. But I'm rooting for him. Cardano, this is probably the most overvalued coin of all time because I'm joking but serious. Cardano's, see, the thing you gotta understand about Cardano, its stories like Ethereum. A lot of people say, I saw a tweet yesterday about this guy talking about why Ethereum will fail. Blah, blah, blah. E-Gold or Multiverse has sharding and it's really fast. I'm just like, shut the F up, dudes. Ethereum, Metcalfe's law network effect is huge. Security and reliability. Do you really think people sitting around billions and trillions of dollars give a shit about it being slow right now and costing a little bit of money? No, they don't care, right? And the security's there, the layer, it's all coming. So just relax. Cardano's the same way. Anyway, did I listen or watch something this weekend about Cardano? Oh, they talked about, man, that meld team impressed the hell out of me in that Twitter space. Go to the Meld Twitter and go listen to that space. They talked about tiered fees. That team is smart. They know what they're doing. They talked about the transactions, the problem with Cardano and its current batching system, and tiered, like how there already is tiered fees because the trust and the ISPOs doing the batching, like they could be giving people preferential treatment, and there's no way for you to tell. They talked about Hydra and what that's going to do, and you know what the hell is wrong with me? This is all stuff we're going to talk about tomorrow. All right. What? I should have my money over here. I got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. All right, let's go to Min Swap. It's raining men. Today is DCA day, guys. What's DCA? It's DCA day, George. What are we gonna fake buy today? Well, I'm gonna really buy Bitcoin and Ethereum because I have it on auto buy at Coinbase. And this weekend, I seriously consider just buying a nice fat stack of Satoshis. Invest Answers gave me a little bit of
FOMO.
he said at this point in your life, you should achieve, you should aspire to hold, those weren't his exact words, but you should aspire to hold 2 Bitcoin. And that really let me down because I don't have 2 Bitcoin, but now that asshole made it a goal of mine. The problem is, at the end of the bull run, I'm selling probably all but, and I'll leave a little bit over 1 Bitcoin. With the aspiration, what is it with me in that word? To buy much more Satoshis in the bear market. All right. Let's see what we got going on. We got a lot of farms going on over here. I didn't switch my wallet, did I? Did you, Tom? I'm gonna collect my ill-gotten gains. Let's see. NTX, we've earned 45 NTX for free. Mira, we've earned 4,000 Mira, which is, talk about not sipping my own Kool-Aid and buying some garbage ass gaming. I didn't put much into this. I'm probably break even still, so whatever. I also got pulled in by the 63% APR. It was a small amount. And then AGIX, 32 free AGIX. All right, so let's harvest. Oh, you want to see something? Talk about meme coins. I got 62 million pending Hoskin rewards. I think I have like, I don't know, 100 billion of that one or something. If that one ever hits over on Cardano, I'm buying. You get an island, you get an island, we all get islands. Don't hold me on that. So harvest multiple. Boom, 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 boom. I don't really care much about the rest. You can only do 5 at a time. See how quick this is. Do, 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 do. We didn't even really talk about the markets, did we? Bitcoin 28.5, ETH 1845. It's kind of at that level where I want to, it's pulling back to the Fibby. I kind of want to long it now. We had a nice little run up. If we get another bounce up, it bounced off, or it's trying to bounce off the 50. So we'll have to see. I think is the rate hike this week. In May, stay on hold. Fed is still odds on bet. That was April 12th. So May 2nd and 3rd. Oh, so that's in 2 days? No one's talking about it. Let's see. 7 days ago, traders see 14% chance they will not raise rates. A 65% chance that they could cut rates. Oh, by the end. I was going to say that ain't happening this month. The bond market is currently pricing in an 86% chance of another quarter of a percent or 25 basis points. That's what you got to put your money on, right? The bonds, right around 131. I would agree with that sentiment. It's down to 130. Yeah, that's screaming 0.25. It's probably not going to be much of a market mover. Bitcoin at 28.5. We got our boy Tony Gania just nonstop talking about how he thinks Bitcoin crash is coming. Every day, Bitcoin feels heavy. All right, min swap. We should have all our. Let's see how much min we have. 1,500 min. What's that worth? ADA. Holy shit. I'm gonna. What is that? Like $300 and some dollars? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm not putting. I've been. I mean, I have plenty of money that I'm farming over here, so I'm just gonna. I mean, this actually. I mean, this is its. Oh, it's only 131. It's only $51. I haven't collected this in months. I've made a whole whopping $51 over here. Psh. That was very anticlimactic. Climactic. Now I want to buy AGX or NTX or both. I'm not really quite sure what I'm going to do. You know what? I don't know that I'm getting out of these farms. The NTX pays 50%, but still. I think the impermanent loss on this is going to be too great. I just would rather hold the token right now. Because in a bull run, these can go insane. Actually, I'm starting to have a lot of crazy ideas right now. Oh, excuse me. Do. Transaction failed. Because Cardano sucks. I don't know that these dexes can handle multiple transactions at a time very well. Boo doo doo doo. Those went through pretty quick, I think. All right, liquidity, your liquidity. Let's see. Remove 100%. I had 830 ADA and 1,000 AGIX. I think I had a lot in this one. Uh, 706. Yeah, 2000 ADA. For like $800. I think I had more into that, but might have lot 8. Let's see. 2000 times. Oh, about, yeah, close to that's close to like $1,600 right there. Velez F2160 in the house. How you doing, brother? Pepe and Wojak are the new Doge and Sheeb, it seems. Meme wise, yes. It's just a token though on Ethereum. We discussed it earlier. You might want to check that earlier. If there's I think meme coins are stupid as hell, and I hate them. But I'll buy it on a dip. I'm gonna buy Pepe on a dip because I think this thing will have legs into a bull run and insane market cap. Let's look at this on more like the hourly, I guess. So I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. I'm not FOMOing into it right now. I'll tell you that. If you're new to the channel, feel free to prescribe to the doctor. The doctor's in. Hit that like button. I'm a pretty unusual streamer. You know, we just kind of hang out and do our thing. I don't hype stuff up. I don't, I don't say things. I don't fill your head with hopium. I just tell you what's really going on. We do some pretty high level stuff over here, including some advanced option trading. I have a weird sense of humor. And I know my way around the cryptos. Retro in the mother house. How you doing, brother? I love it when Retro's here. All right, when the F did you all no one Toro aped in early. I'm not gonna ape in, but I'm gonna buy some on a pullback. I don't know how much. Not a lot, but a little. Cough, Harmony One, cough. What does Harmony One have to do with the price of tea in China, bitch? Ricky, what does Harmony One have to do with the price of tea in freaking China? I'm surprised Retro wasn't early to the Pepe. He's got an entire Telegram group dedicated to degens. Yeah, they are strong memes though. Both are from the days of 4chan. Yeah, we looked that up earlier. It ain't gonna. I ain't gonna front, but I dropped $100 in Wojak, and I'm up 3. Oh, I didn't even know Wojak was a meme coin. You're up 3. Yeah, just be careful, man. If $100 is just like fun money, then you do you. If you need that $100 for rent, you're engaging in behavior that's gonna put you out on the streets eventually. They probably talked about Pepe, but I don't go that low. Yeah. You don't go that low, huh? You don't go that low, Retro. Pepe, the number 92 ranked coin in cryptocurrency. Fun money. Good to hear, brother. The number 92 ranked with a market cap of like 500 billion. Toro was saying people think it could go to 42 billion and 80x in a bull run. You don't stoop that low, huh? I hate everything about this, but I'm gonna buy some on a dip. Somewhere between like $100 up to like maybe $500 if I'm feeling really stupid. I mean, what can I do? People, yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna ride the FOMO, right?
FOMO.
I'll pop in on I'll pop, $100, $500, an ADX on $500. That's 40 grand. That'll almost buy my Model Y. It's like Doge. I don't buy stupid shit, but hey, that's the yeah. Well, see, people are comparing this to Doge and Sheep. This is just a coin. There's no. It's not a blockchain, right? It's not a layer one. So we looked at the roadmap. They got an aggressive roadmap. It's laughable, but they want to get their phase two is getting listed on SEX listings and then getting tier one exchange listings. If they pull that off, it's almost irresponsible not to gamble on this one a little, right? It's almost irresponsible. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's almost irresponsible not to throw some fun, highly disposable income at this. And right now, really the only way you can buy it is on Uniswap. Most people don't know how to do that. So the train hasn't, like, I'm almost talking myself into buying it now, not waiting for a dip. Where were we? We were doing some boring men swap. All right. Trade. I want to trade. Oh, I got 2,500 ADA now. Honestly, Wojak might be a better play. It's still under a 30 million market cap. Seems that both Pepe and Wojak may be from the same DES. Both are listed on more than 10 in less than a week. My goodness. Velez is the new degen in the house. It's getting us to freaking... whoa. Chain GBT. Oh my goodness. Wojak number 762. What the F is a Wojak? Is that the... I think I know what this is. Yeah, I know this character. All right, Jason, what say you? Should we... Yeah, not... Well, we know... This is the... Jason, Chillback, is you there? Do we ape into Wojak? I'm kind of more tempted to ape into this than... Uniswap. It's on MEXC. It's on Huobi. This thing's already on kind of Gate.io. It's already on kind of big exchanges. No, I don't know that. Hell no. You're gonna avoid Wojak, but you're okay with YOLOing into Pepe at the top. What's the chart? Pepe has 60K holders. Follow the money. Ugh. What kind of money? What kind of money do I have? Do I have any play money over on Ethereum? I don't know. I really don't. I'm not selling Ethereum. That's on Optimism. I could send money over from Optimism, but that takes forever. I'm not going below 10 ETH. So 0.006 ETH isn't a lot. I would have to buy some ETH and send it over. I could trade some STUT ETH, but I don't want to trade my STUT ETH. What? Do I have money over on this rug pull? Throw 1 ETH on Pepe? Are you out of your freaking mind? There's no way I'm throwing 1 ETH on Pepe right now. I have $53 in USD and 280 Joule. What's that worth? Like 12 cents? These noises. I'm going in between the couch cushions right now looking for some Pepe money. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with me? I came here to get on my soapbox and tell you not to invest in this garbage. It's bad. It's bad mechanics. It's bad behavior. Here I am. I'm looking in between the couch cushions, trying to buy some money to buy Pepe. Sell my sell my Mars colony. I think I got like 12 billion Mars worth like a penny. FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. FOMO. FOMO. All right. Connect wallet. Oh, this tells you where it's listed. That Rabbi, I tell you, is the shit. For me, Pepe is too big already, but then again, imagine it goes to yeah. It seems ridiculous that it is where it is, but all you have to do is look at Doge and Sheep. This meme is strong, so I'll buy it on a pullback. But in a bull run, this thing is going to have roller coaster rides for sure. Let's face it. Now, I'm not still playing it, but I just have my shit over there that I've never taken out. So I'm looking for money in the couch cushions. Jason says, let's face it, Pepe is the only exciting thing going on in crypto. I mean, that's not good, but it's true. No one cares. Inner Crystal Veil. Oh, with the noises. Oh my goodness. Shut the hell up. These nuts. Airdrops. 280 Jewel. It's worth, oh, I have $53 in Jewel. I have 146 in Crystal. I don't think that's worth shit. I got money. How do you do this? I forgot how to do this. I have money in the gardens, I think. What was that? 10 network? View harvest. I have 1,000 crystal. That's probably not worth shit. You know what? I'm gonna look at this and be very sad. 10.network. Haven't been to this bitch in a while. This is site no longer exists. What's going on? Ooh, I got some money over here. No, this is doing more than it's doing my Arbitrum too. I got 20 grand in ETH, 20 grand in Ethereum. I got $15,700 in Radiant. Oh my goodness. Please go up. I put like $50,000 into this rug pull and it looks like it's worth $240 now. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Just put me out of my misery. I put $50,000 into this and this is the first time I've looked at it in a long time. It's now worth a whopping $240. One of the, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ugh. DFK. Well, I mean, it was all money that I earned from DFK, so it's, yeah. I earned it and I YOLO'd all my ill-gotten gains into Crystalville. Yeah, these were like $10,000 LPs. Like, unless I must have, like, I don't understand. Did someone drain my account? This almost doesn't seem right. I wonder if I got hacked and didn't even realize it. Add Crystal AVAX. You're unlocked. Well, it's because it's all in Crystal. And Crystal's not worth shit anymore. Crystal went from like $3 to a penny. Never go full. That's from that movie. Never go full. Degenerate. What's that from? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. It has that fame. It has. Man, I can't think of anything. It has the guy that can fly around in a suit. Robert Downey Jr., Jack Black. Oh, my brain is on meltdown. Jack Black. Jerry. What's his name? No. That other comedian. Oh, come on, Tom. Put your brain together. Okay, the guy, Jerry Stiller. Brokeback, no. Tom Cruise is in it. For the life of me, I can't think of the movie. It's driving me insane. Jamie Foxx. Oh, I'm so close. I've named every actor in the movie almost, but I can't think of the name of the movie. See, tree lightning, palm lightning. Is that supposed to be a hint? Tropic thunder. Ugh. Yeah, it's too early in the morning, and that shit shows up on my. I think it's Amazon shows that all the time as something to watch, or I don't know, one of my channels. It always. I think it's Amazon because it's on like HBO or something. That movie would get canceled. Oh, yeah. I don't know. So I'm surprised it hasn't gotten canceled. Like Robert Downey Jr. is the only person, probably the only person in the history of our planet to pull off blackface and not get like what why does he get a pass? This did cancel culture? Are they so young that they don't even know that exists? I don't know. It's an interesting thing. It is really interesting how offensive most people find blackface offensive, and it's gotten people in trouble since then, right? A couple people, I think a couple Halloweens ago, tried pulling off some blackface, and it didn't go over well. I remember it was in college in my fraternity. It was Heaven or Hell, which is the Halloween party, and one of the bros got a 7-Eleven shirt. They had specific 7-Eleven shirts back then. They were like checkered and ugly as hell. And he had this like big wig and he did all like blackface. I think, because Indians and all that shit changed quick. It sure did. He got nominated for Academy Award. Yeah, which is insane. And that wasn't that long ago, right? What was that, like 2007? No, yeah, I mean, Tropic Thunder date. 2008. Yeah. I mean, that was 15 years ago. Full on blackface. All right. So looking for what am I money in the couch cushions, coins. That didn't work out well. Now I need to go find a psychiatrist to deal with that traumatic look at the old crystal veil. All right. So Pepe, let's do some technical analysis on Pepe. Pepe's forming. I'm kidding. You can't do technical analysis on this garbage coin. Jerry Stiller is still my favorite comedian. Kappa is one of those things that cool internet nerds say these days. I barely understand what it means. I think it means like cool. What does Kappa mean? I have no idea. I hate this word too, boomer, but I'm a boomer. Jerry Stiller is freaking amazing. He was so funny in The King of Queens, dude. He was like, Hollywood should pay for his star, for his work in King of Queens. He was so goddamn funny in that show. I never saw his like, if he had stand up, I never really saw that, but yeah, in King of Queens, I loved that show, but I mean, he was definitely my favorite actor in that show. That show had a lot of great comedians. Kevin James is actually a pretty funny comedian. You've seen his stand up. Oh, Kappa's sarcasm. So you, Jerry. Oh wait, I'm thinking wait a second. Okay, what problem do you have with Jerry Stiller? Am I thinking? Yeah, Jerry. Right? Jerry Stiller was great in King of Queens. Yeah. What else was he in? Oh, look at him. He was quite the handsome. Not really. Oh, he played George's dad on Seinfeld. Duh. All right, he was great on that too. All right. Let's figure out what we're gonna do on Cardano. Jerry was a great Costanza. Yes. Ben. Oh, you meant Ben. I'll give you Ben. Yeah, I don't hate Ben. I can. He's had his movies that were great. Um, Something About Mary. It's one of the greatest comedy movies of all time. Of all freaking time. I was never big into that one everyone loves where they're like into fashion or whatever. Ben was in Tropic, yeah. Yep. Yep. I said that. Did I say Jerry earlier? I meant Ben. Oh, Ben. All right. Stop distracting me. Meet the Parents. Yeah, that was a good movie. I actually really enjoyed that movie. All right, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna trade this ADA. I don't know whether to trade this into AGX, whether to trade it into NTX, or put it into Indy. I think putting it into Indy. And by Indy, I mean this. No, there's no way for me to buy Pepe on Cardano, or I might. If I buy Pepe, I'll just buy some ETH on Coinbase and send it over. But I don't really have FOMO on it right now. I had some FOMO there. You guys you guys had me foaming at the mouth there for a second. But I'm kind of over it. I should just close the web page. They have an AI Pepe. What's cheaper on a sex? George has everyone. Yeah. I mean, I did it today. I can't blame anyone for, putting Pepe on their thumbnail and talking about it. I'm just talking about it. I'm not trying to get clicks. No, it brought some old faces back, I guess, and some new ones. And I might buy some. Again, I highly discourage nothing but fun money to have a little fun. If you enjoy going and playing some blackjack and losing most of the time, go for it. Don't be in a don't listen to all these people telling you, or like, what's the next Pepe? Always constantly trying to chase after the next Pepe, and you just keep losing money hand over fist, and then eventually you hit one, right? That's the theory people will lead you to believe. You got to throw your money It's the same. It's the same scam. Options people would do this. Oh, you buying options is risky, but you buy 5 different. You buy this. You buy some of the option from this stock. You do this with 5 or 6 different stock. You just need one hit. You just need one hit. Well, guess what? Uh, the odds are against you, even that way. It's a sound. It seems like a reasonable theory, but it's not. You could fail on. There's 2 things that could happen. You could fail miserably on one meme coin after another, or you hit one early on. You hit a home run early on, and you think you're king of the world, and then you just give it all back because you keep chasing meme coins. That is almost certainly what happens to most people. Now, it seems like there's a lot of smart, reasonable people in this chat. They're just throwing fun money at it. That's what I'm going to do, is throw some fun money at it, right? My days of doing stupid things like Crystal Veil are over. I'm not YOLOing. In fact, as bullish as I am on NTX and AGX, those are much higher risks. And you see what I'm doing? I'm swapping into Bitcoin instead, and I'm going to put it on Indigo Finance. Probably should have done that on my other wallet. Shit. Now I got to send that to my other wallet. We were kings. Yep. Yeah, we were eating good. Retro. And you know what? It's coming back, brother. Right? It's coming back. We just got to be a little bit patient. Just have a little patience. My Axel Rose needs some work. Have a little patience. Yeah, that's terrible. We'll be eating good again. Well, I don't know about you. You're awful DJing over there, but I'll be eating good again. As long as, yeah, stop reminiscing on the past. As long as Cardano goes to new all-time highs, I'm going to be slurping those noodles up. As long as Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin go to new all-time highs, I'm going to be eating like a king. Eating like a king. Chipotle, yeah. Chipotle 3 times a day. Well, the next one we're gonna. What's better than Chipotle? Not much, but we're just gonna go to. We need to up our game. That's how good we're gonna be eating. We'll go to Chipotle 4 times a day and get fat. Well, we'll buy a Chipotle, right? We'll buy a Chipotle in the next bull run. How much is a Chipotle franchise? Now I'm freaking hungry. I hate you all. Chipotle franchise sell. Oh, they don't offer franchises. How does start it? Does not our company own? Wow, TIL. Interesting. Yeah, me too, bro. I thought I didn't know they were all company owned. TIL. Oh wait, can you finally open a Chipotle franchise? Once upon a time, Chipotle allowed franchising of their restaurants, but the program ended in 2006. Oh, so you know new? All right. So what French Subway is going bankrupt, so we don't want to open that shit. Laundromats. I've watched a few YouTubers that make a lot of money on laundromats and car washes. No thanks. That's not a life I want to lead. I just want to make a bunch of money in crypto and swim around in it like Scrooge McDuck. All right. Now I got this problem. Wait a second. Wait a second. Do we need to refresh? Because where's my Bitcoin? There it is. We got some Bitcoin. All right. I don't think. Oh, wait. Maybe I can. Let's see. So I need to send. Oh, I don't. All right. So I think we can. 1250. Oh. Add token. All. Add. Do this on Cardano. So I'm going to send 1250 Cardano and all my IPTC. I could send the whole wallet if I wanted to. I'm going to send this over to my other wallet, my NAMI or my I don't know, my Indigo Ledger. I think I did that right. Boom. Token. Did you see that? Go do that on Ethereum. Go send 2 tokens with 1 transaction. One of the problems people get stuck with on Ethereum is they'll do a whole bunch of shit on Ethereum, own a bunch of NFTs and a bunch of different coins, and then they like the fear of God gets put into them. They get rug pulled or whatever, and they're like, okay, now I got to go buy a ledger. Guess what? Send all that in your wallet from your non-hardware wallet to ledger is going to cost you $12 million. So start with the ledger before you do anything, because most chains aren't like Cardano. All right, so let's go over here. Actually, we need to make this the active wallet. And we're gonna come over here. Oh, we need to go to not MenSwap. We're gonna go to Wing Riders. 750. You know what? All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna waste time on stream doing this. I want to get to Twitter. I'm gonna take the money. So I took NTX and AGX out of MenSwap. The other side was Cardano. I traded Cardano into Bitcoin. Half of that into Bitcoin. I'm gonna put that in the Wing Riders BTC Adafruit on Indy, because Indy is the gift that keeps on giving. It just prints money. And I'm holding on to my NTX and AGX without yield farming it, because I think the impermanent risk is impermanent risk really just means you would have made more money if you would have just held the asset. So I think when it hits on NTX and or AGX, I would have been better off. And to be fair, MenSwap, it's pretty low percentages, which is good, but it's just not, you know what I'm saying? And I have plenty of MenSwap, so I hope it does really well on a bull run, which I think it will. And we can make money on it too. But right now, all the money to be made is on Indy. JP Morgan, let's see. Chipotle falls under McDonald's. Chipotle, they had another Mexican restaurant that was McDonald's owned. No, I don't think so. Chipotle is its own stock too. Chipotle is its own company. McDonald's had another Mexican restaurant that was terrible. Terrible, terrible, as Chuck Barkley would say. Can't remember the name of it though. There was one of them in my town and it was horrible. Jason with old news. JP Morgan to buy First Republic. These major banks. Yeah, bank. Yeah, that's always going to be a thing. I guess. I don't know. Actually, real quick, let's see what's going on Twitter. I did retweet a couple things. Follow me at Nostradamus. This was pretty funny. This is what it feels like if you're in crypto. If you sell, it goes up 89,000%. If you hodl, it goes sideways, and if you buy, it drops 99%. I just found that amusing. This guy, TA to analyst, says this is, there's 420 days of a bear market. I guess. And this started the bull market, but I mean, 500 days later, it wasn't much higher. So this one, and both of these had crazy dip down after, right? This had a double bottom. This almost had a double bottom. So I would say more like 2 years on both of these. So I don't know why this one's different where it won't have another buying opportunity. We are here. So if history repeats itself, it's going to get to like here. And I've said this before that I think Bitcoin will get to like 36 to 42,000 and then we'll have a pullback. And how far it pulls back, I don't know. But I've been very clear about that. And I've even backed it up with science, bitch. I thought it would go up to, nope. What just happened? How did these all get moved? All right. I thought it would go up. Oh my goodness. Oh, because we're on the hourly. I was like, why is that so out of whack? I thought we would go to either this fib or this fib, 36 to 42,000. I don't make things up, right? I thought this was in the cards, and then maybe we pull back to like 28,000, right? So this is what I think is going to happen. Something like this, right? This is what I foresee happening. Something like that is well within the reason. Do I have Apple TV Plus? Choke point 2.0. I do have Apple Plus. Risky. I do have Apple Plus. In fact, I started watching a new show on there called Loop because I was desperate for something to watch. It's pretty meh. I started, oh man, if you guys want to watch one of the best comedies of all time, watch Letterkenny and by extension, Shorzy. But I don't know, I just haven't been in a Letterkenny mood. But I started watching the last season again because the first episode was kind of weird. But it gets back on track. It's so freaking funny. Like, I won't even be in the mood to watch it, but I'll start watching it and I'll start laughing so hard. If you've never seen Trailer Park Boys, J-Rock is like one of the producers or directors of it, and he plays this part called Noah Dick. And his wife's Anita Dick. Oh, it's so goddamn funny. Why are you asking if I have Apple TV Plus? There's something new coming up. I mean, Ted Lasso is amazing. Amazing. Ted Lasso will make you laugh, it'll make you cry. Tears of joy, tears of sadness. All right. Monthly close above the 382. Started watching. Oh, I saw that. It's okay. It's worth watching. It's a little weird. Yeah, I mean I watched it over a couple day period. It's worth watching, but it's weird. Blackbird is good. Jason gives it a seal of approval. The trailer made it seem better. The trailer didn't really do much for me. I enjoyed it, but I mean, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. What does IMDb give it? Now, I can't stop thinking about the Beatles song, though, is the problem. There's a new Guardians of the Galaxy. The Rise of Priyanka Chopra. Man, she is fine, but she's so annoying. I started watching that new show she has on Amazon. It's pretty bad. What were we? Blackbird. Blackbird has an amazing guitar piece too. Yeah, this guy was really good. 8.1. Wow. It rates it higher than I would. Oh, this guy. Oh, I like Greg Kinnear too. Obviously, I like Ray Liotta. Was great. Was great. Paul Walter Hauser. Is he related to Cole? Wow, this guy's got some acting chops. I did not expect this guy to look like this. What's his story? I wonder what he sounds like in real life. Better known as his nickname Stingray in Cobra Kai. What? Oh, he was in Cobra Kai? I don't remember him. Wow. The last season of Cobra Kai I couldn't even finish, which is sad. Mystic River is a good movie. Okay. Mystic River is on my watch list. Some TikTokers said it's a better Boston movie than The Departed. That's the one with Kevin Bacon and Sean Penn, right? It has been a long ass time since I've seen this. No, The Departed's better, bro. The Departed's way better. In fact, this movie was just okay to me. In fact, The Town's a better Boston movie than Mystic River. How do you like them apples? This says a 7.9. Arguably The Departed's the great Leonardo DiCaprio's best movie. I'd put that up against any movie he's done. The Town 7.5. So IMDb says Mystic River's better. The Departed. But from a Boston aspect, a Good Will Hunting is a better Boston movie than Mystic River. How do you like them apples? 7.7. Wow. So IMDb says Mystic River is better than all of those. Nah, it's not going to say better than Good Will Hunting. No effing chance. No F. This is in the 8s. It has to be in the 8s. Higher 8s. 8.3. Yeah, I love The Town. I've watched it numerous times. Although with each viewing, the chick starts annoying me more and more. Not really, but I saw her in something recently, and I had a hard time watching it. I don't even think. I think it was a show. Now I gotta know. What was her name? Rebecca Hall. It was just a trailer for some rom com, and it just didn't work for me. Wait, maybe it wasn't her. She's from London. Is this the? Yeah, this is the. She was in a trailer to something. The Listener, Resurrection. This doesn't seem up to date. Now it's gonna bug me. I, I don't know. I know for a fact she was with some rom com, goofy looking rom com. Is she a smoker? I get smoker vibes for sure. I'm not sure. I would lean the needle 60% smoker, 40% not. The more I look at her, the more I want to say she probably is a smoker. I can just tell you that when I know, and on her, I don't know. But a gun to my head, I would say she smokes. Margaret Cho, definitely a smoker. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, it's 8:02 a.m. God damn it. God damn it. Let's just look real quick at Twitter. Anything? We're all gonna make it. Oh, please don't start that again. We're excited to launch the API. Sometimes I gotta chill. Yeah, good for you. Another day on the grind. Drink him some tea and a parent. What is wrong with people? Twitter is turning to shit, by the way. Twitter is getting worse and worse and worse. It was getting good. Now look at this. I want one. I want one. It's learning how to fight. People are freaking out. Yeah. I want to put that right out my. It's gonna chill. It's gonna stand next to me, and so when someone tries to come $5 wrench me for my crypto, they're gonna get met, and they ain't gonna like what they get met with because it's gonna be this effing them up. I'm just gonna be like, get him, get him, Steve. My robot's gonna be named Steve. Get him, Steve. Fuck him up. Now look at you. You made me say the F word. Oh, this is old. This monkey's an idiot. This is Jackass for Monkeys. Oh my goodness. You know what? Speaking of, Chill Baggins, you still here? You had to have seen this. I think I retweeted it. Oh, this chick, this is Ricky's wife in real life. Some teacher, look at, I don't think I have the sound on. I gotta fix this. This chick is psycho, man. What is the hell is wrong with this chick? I'm trying. She's screaming, dying, shooting Trump. Guess what? She got fired. She's lucky she's not in prison, to be honest. I don't know if she thought she was being funny. I'm losing brain cells just thinking about that. I can't. Who's a freak in the sheets? This or Rebecca Hall? Because the answer is yes to both. Prison, dude. I said I'm surprised. I didn't say I would throw. All right, so this one. Look at this idiot. Oh. This is wrong. What's wrong with society? Oh, graphic violent warning. He survived, but he had head trauma. He lived. He lived. Yeah, this is what's wrong with our society, guys and gals. NewNet Public Alpha. I'm excited. Logan Paul is afraid to release the most compelling UFO video ever recorded. Why? Stop being a little bitch. Thread. So apparently, in the coming months, we're gonna get some interesting UFO news. Let's get caught up on Twitter. Maybe a stupid question, but why can't we have the mechanism to automatically close out a pool and not allowing the moment it's saturated? Cardano builds a decentralized treasury, about to go in on some. Who cares? Snack? What's snack? Why are, because people are idiots. You'll never get it. You know, I do a lot of thinking about this actually. And it's actually it's too heavy of a topic for most people to understand. But it does lead credence to Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin being the only asset. So the problem with all these layer ones is I don't know. It's complicated. You how can Ethereum be a currency, right? Who wants to leave a lot of their money in a currency that goes wildly up and down? it's going to have to reach a point where it's not like that, where it just kind of goes, I mean, a 30% pullback to a 30% up move, then maybe it kind of starts making sense. And as long as over time it goes up. So Bitcoin, we know, is going to do that. So it's a relatively safe place to park your money. But it still has like 90% drops, right? Eventually, I think that will change over time. Obviously, it will, but how long is that going to take? 10, 20, 30? Anyway, I can't go on. I can talk about this all the time. I mean, all day long. All right, DeFi Moki. Oh my God. Oh, this is old. This is fake too. We've already seen that. I'm not even going to waste my time. Now, is someone in my telling me how TA won't work? TA doesn't work, period. Bernie Sanders should confiscate all wealth over 999 million. That's a radical communist approach. Sell in May and walk away. Let's see. Sell in May. No, maybe. I think it might be selling. It could, right? I do think we're going to have an up move and then another down move, and then the bull run will start. But it's going to take time. So have a little patience and just keep buying them dips, homie. There is no next Pepe. There probably is. Coin market cap to make Shark Tank, but for crypto and Web3 startups, yeah, no one's going to watch that. We will get a Pepe update here in a second. 500 million transferred from unknown wallet to Binance. Yeah, so 500 million ETH. Is ETH going to dump? That happened an hour ago. Here's real world utility. Someone in Africa using World Mobile Token. Tool, greatest band ever. One of a kind, autographed by Danny and Justin. Yeah, I need an Adam Jones. Oh, that must be, all right. I want something from Adam Jones or Maynard. It's true, call your geeks. Okay, stop talking about your API. Wind Moon. Yeah, I'm down for Hosky to Moon. What the hell? You have every right to make fun of me. Oh, that's Mario. I love this guy. Is that what he looks like?
I just love it. I've been waiting for it for 6 months. It's a headset. Calls as well, replaces my AirPods, and it's got an air purifier. I live in Dubai, so I need this in Dubai. The air quality is shit. Anyway, I live in New York. I could go to LA for a day for meetings. Probably won't. I want to go home. I want to focus on the show. Carrie Lake is joining the show today. I'll probably be in LA again mid-June. I've got a show to do, a Shark Tank show for Web3. Snoop Dogg will be there. Anthony Scaramucci will be there. It's going to be an incredible judge list, and I'll be judging there as well. So anyone in LA, if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll see you in mid-June. Otherwise, I'm up to, oh, it's beautiful. Look at the destination. Last meeting in New York. I'm off.
Wait, now I got it. This is an air purifier.
Last day in New York. No, I think second last day. Tomorrow I leave. Got my last meeting. By the way, the stupid thing I'm wearing now, the team makes fun of me for wearing it. It just came out 2 days ago. It's the Dyson Zone. I'm not being sponsored for this. I just love it. I've been waiting for 6 months.
How much does this bitch cost? Has he ever worn a... Ricky, that was fucked up. Dyson Zone headphones. Please don't be too much, but everything Dyson's expensive. Can you imagine walking around Costco on these? Oh, wait. Dyson's headphones with air purification. There's no, how is it? How much are these? They have air purifiers? Oh, these things can't be any good. Choose model. $1,000. Okay. 5 accessories included. And yeah, I'm buying this right now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, everyone. I'll be back. I'm already late to work. Have a magnificent Matic Monday. I'll be back 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there, UNF Square. Hit the like, hit the